Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and healthy oat pancakes using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, and 2 large eggs. Also, grab 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a touch of vanilla extract. These basic items are all you need to start your pancake journey. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a perfect batter. Simply add everything into your blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no oat pieces remain visible. This step is crucial for achieving that classic pancake texture. After blending, let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows it to thicken slightly, making for fluffier pancakes. With your batter ready, let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the surface with a bit of butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. This gentle heat ensures even cooking. And there you have it, your delicious, healthy oat pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries and a drizzle of maple syrup are always a fantastic choice. For an extra touch, consider adding a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of cinnamon. These easy-to-make pancakes are perfect for a quick, nutritious breakfast or a delightful brunch. Enjoy your wholesome creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.